Apparatus used in chemistry. The study of chemistry involves carrying out experiments, making observations, analysis, interpretation, and making conclusions. The experiments are performed using chemicals and pieces of apparatus. These experiments are carried out in a laboratory. A laboratory is a building or special room where chemicals and apparatus are kept and in which practical subjects, such as chemistry, are studied. Some of the apparatus in the laboratory are used as sources of heat, while others are used for the measurement of volumes, temperature, mass, and time. Most apparatus, which are used as containers and reaction vessels, are made of transparent glass or plastics. Glass and plastic do not react with most of the reagents used in the laboratory. Each piece of apparatus is designed for a specific use and may come in various sizes. Apparatus for measuring volume. All apparatus used for measuring volumes of liquids are usually of transparent glass or plastic. The apparatus used for measuring volumes of liquids include graduated beaker, measuring cylinder, graduated conical flask, volumetric flask, syringe, pipette, Burette. Apparatus for measuring temperature. Temperature is measured using thermometers. There are different types of thermometers such as maximum and minimum thermometer, clinical thermometer, general purpose thermometers. Apparatus for measuring mass. Mass is measured using weighing balances. There are different types of weighing balances such as beam balances, electronic balances, top pan balances. Apparatus for measuring time. The apparatus for measuring time are watches and clocks. For accuracy during experiments in the laboratory, stopwatches and stop clocks are used. Other commonly used apparatus includes test tube, used for general laboratory experiments. Boiling tube, used when heating substances. Trough, used for holding water during experiments, especially during the collecting of gas over water. Round-bottomed flasks, used when heating liquid substances because heat is supplied uniformly so that the flask does not crack. Flat-bottomed flask, used for general laboratory experiments. Filter funnel, used to deliver liquids carefully into vessels. Thistle funnel, used for delivering liquid substances in liquid vessels. Separating funnel, used for separating immiscible liquids. Dropping funnel, used to add controlled amounts of liquids into reaction vessels. Conical flask, used for general laboratory experiments and for measuring approximate volumes of liquids. Reagent bottles. Used for storing bench reagents. Wash bottles. Used to hold water for rinsing vessels and for adding water into vessels with narrow necks. Teat pipette, dropper. Used for delivering liquids drop-wise. Evaporating dish. Used when evaporating liquids. Spatula. Used for scooping substances from containers. Gas jar. Used for gas collection. Desiccator. Used for drying or keeping substances free from moisture. Crucible. Used when heating strong substances that require strong heating. Pipe clay triangle. Used for supporting crucibles during heating. Wire gauze. Used for the distribution of heat when heating substances in beakers or flasks. Tripod stand. Used for supporting beakers and flasks during heating. Mortar and pestle. Used for crushing substance. Test tube rack. Used for holding boiling tubes and test tubes. Deflagrating spoon. Used for holding substances being burned in gas jars. Tong. Used to safely hold corrosive or hot solids. Test tube holder. Used for holding test tubes when they are being heated. Clamp and stand. Used for holding and supporting pieces of apparatus during experiments. Sources of heat. The pieces of apparatus used as sources of heat include the Bunsen burner, spirit lamp, candle, gas stove or portable burner, kerosene stove, electric heater. The Bunsen burner is the most suitable source of heat in laboratories. Thank you for watching this chemistry lesson. Please subscribe to this channel and other Genius channels relevant to your level of study.